Hello guys, this is Yogita and you're watching your own channel English Finishing School where you learn with the difference. So today the cue card which we are going to discuss is describe a habit that your friend has and you want to develop it. All of us have some habits, some of them may be good, some of them may be bad, and there might be some habits in your friends and family relatives which you want to adopt and you really think that that habit should be a part of your life. So let us without any delay discuss today's cue card about a habit which you have seen in your friend and you want that you should develop in yourself. And before we proceed with this, do not forget to subscribe our channel and also press the little bell icon so that you get all the updates about our future videos. So let's get started. So cue card is describe a habit that your friend has and you want to develop. सबसे पहले you have to tell who your friend is, what habit he or she has, and when you noticed and when you came to know about that habit, and explain why you want to develop that habit. So now we are going to develop the general idea about this cue card and learn some powerful vocabulary words which would help us to structure this cue card so that we can speak on it for 2 minutes. Let's learn about some journal statements. Habits always shape a person's life and they develop over a period of time and then become a permanent part of our personality. And it becomes a hard nut to crack. This is a very powerful idiom which we can use to describe something which is very difficult to change. So it becomes a hard nut to crack to change them. Almost all of our actions are a reflection of our habits. So whatever we do, whatever we act, they are a reflection of our habits. Then we can also say all of us have a blend and mixture of good as well as bad habits in our daily life, and they are so powerful in us that they trigger our brain again and again to do that. So most of the habits are related to your brain trigger. So once you adopt in your life, it becomes your brain gives the signal and you tend to do that again and again. So it is important, it is imperative to adopt good habits in life so as to bring a positive transformation, means a positive change in our behavior and persona. Now let us look at some words like when you have a habit, you can say I possess a habit, I exhibit a habit, I display a habit or a certain ability, or I demonstrate. So these are the words you can use to adopt and having a habit in your personality. Then of course, can be the words for synonym words for habits? Inherited traits are there. You can say virtues, qualities and characteristics. So these are the words we can use in place of habits. Then of course, to gain them in your life, you can say to imbibe them, to adopt certain skills or habits, to inculcate in yourself, to instill in yourself, to make it a part of your life, and you exercise it into your life. You acquire them, you absorb them from others or from your surroundings. So then you say what can be the habit which I am going to discuss here is getting up early, of course, and going for a morning walk. As I know myself is you can say I'm a very lazy and inactive person, and going for a morning walk is quite next to impossible task for me. It can be for you as well. So here I would like to discuss about the same thing which I have seen in my friend and I want to adopt it in my life. And how you came to know, you can use various words like I happen to know, I observed that habit, I discovered about that habit, I got aware of it, I got to know when. So of course he talked to you about that and you happen to know about it. Of course, when you give utmost priority to health, only then you think about adopting that kind of a habit in your life. And of course, you remain active and energetic in the process. When you get obesity, you become fat and you have an unhealthy and sedentary means very inactive lifestyle. Or you can say you feel lethargic, very lazy, and exhausted means tired all the time. So these are the words which you can use for an unhealthy lifestyle which gives you and encourages you to adopt certain kind of healthy habits so that you get up early and you go for a walk. Then why you want to adopt that habit? You want to improve your laziness. You can use that word listlessness in place of laziness. Probably you have frequent aches and mental stress in daily life and you want to come out of that. You want to channelize your energy in the positive direction. So there could be many reasons going for a morning walk. It acts as a stress buster, it keeps you healthy, fit as a fiddle. You can use such words as well. Now let us look at the model answer. Habits always shape a person's life. They develop over a period of time and then become a permanent part of a personality, and it becomes a hard nut to crack to change them. Almost all of our actions are a reflection of our habits. All of us have a blend of good as well as bad habits in our daily life, and they're so powerful in us that they trigger our brain again and again to do that. So it is imperative to adopt good habits in life so as to bring a positive transformation in our behavior and persona. I possess many habits. Some of them are extremely good and people admire me often for those habits. But there are others which I really need to work upon and improve. My best friend Sania is a very active and dynamic person. She does every work without getting tired for a minute and has enormous amount of energy. When I look up to her, I really see myself as inactive and lazy as compared to her. Once I asked her the secret behind that high level of energy which she demonstrates in every work, and she let the cat out of the bag. This is an idiom which we can use to, she told me the secret by telling that she gets that energy from her habit of early rising, going for a morning walk daily and exercise for at least 1 hour. I was super influenced to talk to her and really want to adopt that habit of hers in my life. I have always thought that my life is quite hectic and I rarely get time for any physical activity. But when I see her, she's almost in the same profession, the same amount of work, the same hectic work life, but she beautifully maintains that work-life balance by giving utmost priority to her health. I'm getting obese and lethargic because of my sedentary lifestyle. My late rising habit and lack of energy always puts me down in the dumps, I feel upset about it. And now I really set up my mind to spend at least 1 hour for my health and physical fitness, as it leads to better ideas, rich productivity and the positive outcome in all our tasks. I'm going to start this practice from now and will do it regularly. So this is all about my habit which I want to improve and learn from a friend. Of course, you might be seeing many habits around you in your friends, and of course you want to adopt them in your life. So just take ideas from this and talk about that habit. But one habit you don't forget now, to get and stay connected with us so that you get to know all the valuable inputs which we share through our videos. But for that you have to press the bell icon and subscribe our channel so that we stay connected and we learn together and grow. Thank you.